What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Arcaruas here at Worldwide INTL, coming back with another video. And today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 things that you should not be doing to your car, especially your first car, Buster. I see you out there with them plastic dip cans. You about ready to spray that shit on? No! I've been there before. Don't be me. Trust me. So, you just got your first car, you're looking to mod it. You see these cars on TikTok, you're like, how am I ever gonna catch up? These guys have insane amounts of money. True. First off, let's start by the fact that most of these people on TikTok, A, are severely in debt. 2, are grown-ass men. Or D, they're just like rich kids or something. So let's get that out of our mind. First things first, I want to introduce y'all to the most, how do I even say it? You should live by this when you are doing your car.
What do you mean by that?
Pause. You should live by this when you're modifying your car. And it's KISS. And it's called
Keep it simple, stupid.
keeping it super simple. Now that doesn't mean keep your car stock. I didn't say keep it super stock. I didn't say that. It just means keeping it simple. You know, you see all these kids on TikTok and they have so many modifications to their car, and some of them look crazy good. And then some of them just look like they went to AutoZone on Black Friday and bought the whole store out. Don't be that guy. Now, I'm a big advocate for respect all builds. But
Tell you what, man, I have nothing against gays, man. But I like women.
there's a but in there. There's a but in there. There's a difference between wanting to shortcut yourself to being looking clean and actually looking clean. So, you're like, bro, I get it. Tell me what are the first mods I should be doing in my car.
Hurry up!
And what I shouldn't be doing in my car. First mod you should not be doing to your first car or any car you have in the phase I recommend you skip so bad is the plasti dip phase. Now if you haven't seen it, I'll pop a picture up here of plasti dip. If you bought your first car and you don't know what plasti dip is, say thank God. I can't believe I actually used to put my friends on to plasti dip. I used to be the one saying, bro, you know what's plasti dip? They'd be like, bro, what's plasti dip? I'd be like, bro, it's a way to make your silver, regular OEM wheels black. And they'd be like, whoa, dude. How many times I wish I could have told them. I could have went back and slapped the shit out of myself. Don't do it. It's just not worth it. Save some money, work for like a week, and buy some black wheels. I don't care if they're reps. I don't care if they're OEMs, powder-coated black. I don't care if they're real BBS, HRE, whatever the frick they are. Do not do plasti dip. Trust me, I've been there. I have proof that I've been there. I can go in my backyard and show you the wheels I still have plasti dipped on. It's not a good phase. That's one of the mods I see a lot of kids start to mod their cars out with. And look, I get it. I've been there. I was that guy. I plasti dipped my grills black. I plasti dipped my wheels black. I plasti dipped whatever I could. Number 2 mods you should not be doing to your car, Buster.
Get in the zone. AutoZone.
I see you in that AutoZone lane looking at those underglow lights. Now. Have I had underglow lights on my car before? I plead the fifth. But, first of all, they're not on my car anymore because it's too long. Second of all, there's nothing more, how do I say it? There's nothing more ricer. I'm sorry, I have to say it that way. There's nothing more ricer than seeing a stock car, regular wheels, regular fitment, regular everything, looking like it just got purchased out of a freaking dealership with underglows on. First of all, it's not even the fact that you have underglows on. I'm not trying to call you a ricer. It just looks weird. It looks bad. It's not the best image. Maybe at night it looks sick as fuck when you're with your friends, but it's just not cool. And that's just not in keeping it super simple. That's number 2. I could go on. You don't want to see those little strips of LEDs and stuff on the side of your car. It looks whack. And plus, you have a stock car. What are you trying to get attention for? Now, if you like it, hey, that's you. Like I said, I respect all builds. I'm just giving you my 2 cents. You can go to the bank and deposit that. Toby. Let me talk to you about number 3. One of the worst mods you can do to your car, in my personal experience, is springs.
Phone. Let me read it.
Now, whoa. Calm down. Don't throw anything at me yet, alright? Hear me out. Do I think springs are one of the worst mods you can do in the realms of Plastidip and Underglow? It's just the cost, honestly. I mean, if you're looking to lower a car, there's so many better ways of lowering a car than springs. Now, don't get me wrong. Don't you dare go on TikTok and put washers on your car because you want to be super slam and you want to be super low. And then in the next month, you're calling me saying, yo, bro, I just cracked my oil pan on the interstate. I didn't say washers. Now, if you want to not waste your time, not possibly get injured, because there's a lot of people out there that don't know what they're doing on cars and want to work on them, which I respect. Like I said, I've been there. Get yourself a nice set of coilovers. I've got some BC coilovers on mine. There's some that are cheaper. You got Tyne coilovers. You got plenty of coilover options for you. But just don't waste your money on springs, because you're going to pay a certain amount. You're going to do a certain amount of work, or you're going to pay someone to do a certain amount of work, when coilovers is so much easier. So much easier and so much better. It gives it a better look. It gives you better performance, better handling. And I mean performance on the road. I don't mean your car is going to jump 20 horsepower because of some coilovers. But it's just a better overall buy. And I wish I knew that, because I once myself almost bought springs. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy springs because they're only like $400 and coilovers are $1,000. Trust me. That extra $600, you do not want to do the springs on this car and then have to do coilovers later on. Or if not, if you're balling, go get some bags. And that's why it's debatable, because some people get brand new cars and they slap some springs on them. You know, like you got a Supra. You want to make it look a little lower, but you want to keep that stock dampening and all that stuff. Cool. Get some springs in. I'm not after you, bro. I'm after the guy that bought $400 springs and thought his car was going to be slammed to the ground like the boys on TikTok with the tilty wheels. That's all I'm saying. Now, we're getting into the 2 last ones. I've talked about Underglow, I've talked about Plastidip, and I've talked about springs for your cars. Now, these are all things that you might say, bro, these are all things I want to do. Fine. Cool, man. Good car. Do what you want to do. I'm just giving you my 2 cents, because I've been there.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Number 4, one of the worst mods you can do to your car. And just because I know someone that did this. Number 4 is not a necessarily bad mod. It's not a bad mod at all. First of all, pump the brakes. It's not a bad mod. But number 4 is buying wrap for a car that you cannot wrap.
I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon?
Buying wrap for a car that you cannot wrap. If you think you're just going to buy a $500 wrap your whole car in a day, and then look stunting and stunt on these hoes, you're not. Wrapping is not that easy as that Chinese or Asian lady makes it seem on Facebook, that your mom is like, mira hijo, mira que fácil, ¿por qué tú no rapeas tu carro? It's not like that, bro. Trust me. I wrapped my car with my friends, and it took me, after work, it took me like 2 weeks. And that was with my friends.
I got plenty of friends. I can name 3 right off the bat. The gang's all here. Oh!
So I'm telling you like this. I'm telling you it's simple. Do not buy wrap if you don't know how to wrap, or if you're not gonna take it somewhere professionally to get it wrapped. Now, if you wanna try it, go ahead and try it. But I'd wanna know, especially if you have a more difficult car, it's gonna give you a headache. I mean, my car is not even 100%. I gotta redo my bumper. I gotta redo some stuff to it. My car isn't even 100%. Sometimes I don't like taking it to shows because my front bumper looks like shit.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
So that's a mod that is not bad at all, but I'm just telling you personally that I've seen people buy wrap for cars, or they don't finish wrapping their cars, or they don't do this, or I go to shows and they're like, yeah, my wrap's fucked because I did it myself, but I'm down $700. Don't put yourself in that predicament. If you don't feel good enough to wrap your car, buy some black wrap and wrap your roof and see how hard that is. Now keep in mind, wrapping your roof is relatively simple. So if that's even hard for you, I would recommend you start practicing a little more before you spend $700, $600, even $300 on some cheetah wrap. So that's number 4 for me. And lastly, but not least whatsoever, is car stickers. Now, listen. I have some stickers on my car, but they're just like stickers. They're like, I kind of got bored of just being all red, so I put some stickers on it. I'm talking about people that just deck their AutoZone stickers out. Bam, 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 bam. K&N stickers. I love K&N, but it's just simple. That's one of the first stickers you see on a car that has stickers that it shouldn't have. And especially if you have a stock car. You might even have a cool looking car. I'm like, bro, your car could look so much better if it was less stickers, plain, and you spent more in making the car cooler than spending your money on freaking stickers. I have stickers on my car. I have some stickers that some people might say they're obnoxious. I have my WRLDWIDE sticker. I have stickers on my hood that you can barely see in the camera. I have my static sticker. And last but not least, I have my what's currently crooked bump sticker. And that's my top 5 worst mods you can do on your car.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Now, don't take this video personally. Don't give me any hate. I'm just giving y'all my 2 cents. That's some of the worst mods you can do. All this stuff I'm speaking from comes from personal experience. So if it rubs you the wrong way, honestly, I'm sorry, bro. I don't care. I'm telling you what I know and what I wish I would have known before I spent money on those mods. So anyways, guys, I really appreciate y'all for watching. I hope y'all like this video. I hope you don't make the same mistakes that I did when I was younger. And this is WRLDWIDE. Out here, we live by 2 things. We drive until it's broken, and we keep plugging
lying, nigga, you ain't nobody, bitch. Just talk the future, he in Dubai. We not there yet, but I got my whole damn crew high. Put Spikey and Ike and DR, yeah, that's Suta. Ike smiling like no more, I don't got moved down. Boy, you better have a lot of patience, yeah, cause you can't move down. I was just with my grandma.
And now we move.